Sun was out here when you see the rain. He was down here in a
He said
second.
he's going to go back home as far as he knows. I'm like, are you kidding me?
Well, no, the father came down.
Yeah, I know. You want him to go there. In this. Get her in this. Yeah!
You want to come up here to his house?
Walk him up here. Maybe he'll come up. Oh, look at this shit. Oh, that's good. It's just that?
It's over.
Wow. That's cool. He's like to say he was a nice guy. I never met him. Wow, there again. Holy shit. Look at this.
I know. Who's getting right over a mother
Was that
floor?
crazy before? Crap.
I know.
I don't believe it. That's close. I'm walking down the road, I'm going to get hit. I'm going to get hit.
Oh my God.
Holy shit. Down two. Yeah.
I know.
Holy shit! Look at it! Wow! Lights out there! Lights! Holy shit! Lights out there! Holy shit! Turn on out there! Oh my God! Keep open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Look! Oh! Look! There's a tornado! There's a tornado out there! Wow, there's a fucking tornado out there! Holy shit, the tree! Yeah, it did.
The tree's down.
Right through the truck.
Oh no!
Why? Oh, one time down. It's okay. Holy shit. The whole tree is down. The whole tree is down. It's over. Stop lying. Jesus. Holy God, we got a lot of work.